You might recall that there was the double door right here going into the living room. In addition to the door to the bedroom here, there was a double door here with glass lights in it that opened up into the living room. Well, that's gone. And we have closed in this wall, which is one reason why it's the last step in getting this room ready, except for the carpet. I finished 3 walls of this room last week. I was not able to do this last wall because the texture folks had to get in here and spread the texture on and had to give that plenty of time to dry before we did the 3rd coat, or I'm sorry, the 4th wall. And so that's why I didn't do this wall at the same time as I did the other 3. I'm also not going all the way to the ceiling and all the way to the baseboard, since we will come back through and paint that with a brush and cut that in just perfectly, make a nice straight line. This is one of those steps where I kind of want to put a caveat on the video: do not try this at home. Well, I wish I had a choice, but I really don't. This is where I've been known in the past: step off an extension ladder and cause a little injury to myself, which is never a good thing. Okay, putting it down here, maybe up one more. Okay, easy down, that's the I'm glad my wife's not here to see that. She would say, you are not allowed up on extension ladder. Well, okay. Somebody with a little bit more skill at extension ladders, like my grandson Jack, might be able to just kind of bound up there and do the job. Well, I go one more. Well, okay then. So, hey, I'm back here painting and falling off the extension ladder.
Oh my goodness. What, George? You gonna be okay?
Don't tell my wife, Ruth.
I gotta take a picture of you. And tell Mary, look.
No!
Troublemaking here.
You tell Mary I've been up on the extension ladder, I'll be in trouble.
This color's gonna be nice.
What?
It's gonna look nice here.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I got that other room done.
Yeah, hold on, let me turn on. The fan doesn't turn on? You turn it off? You want me to turn on the fan?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, because it's hot there, isn't it?
Yeah?
Okay, right there. Good.
Excellent.
Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna feel better. All right, let me see if I can come down without killing myself.
I got hoses for the hoses.
Ah! And, I got paint on the door jamb. No good. Okay. No good. No good. You know what? If you're gonna do the cutting around the ceiling and
Uh-huh.
and the baseboard,
Yep,
room number 2 in there,
it's ready.
if we could get that done, then Jack could hang the shutters in that room. I don't want him to hang them.
Yeah, I will do the windows tonight before I leave.
And if he's ready with one of those things for room number 3,
Uh-huh.
then we can take that down altogether and then paint it.
Yeah, okay. Did you put 2 coats on that wall?
2 coats on, no, only the first coat on that wall.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll put the second coat.
All right, perfect.
Well, we're making some progress. I got 2 walls down. I'm gonna get up there and work on this 3rd wall. And I think we ought to be in pretty good shape, really. This would be the holy window. Good gracious, never saw so many holes. Gotta fill in these holes. Okay, there we go. Okay. Good gracious. That's a lot of holes to fill in. Okay.
Let's see.
You take it away, Jack.
All right, well, this is the front of the home. As you can see, we've closed this wall in. It's been textured and has primer on it, but has not yet been painted. So that will be done shortly. All the blinds are up in the front room, 2-inch all the way around. The walls have been painted a light gray color, very modern.
Alpaca is the name of that color. Okay.
Carpet's coming in a week, so I'll have new carpet.
Week from yesterday, I think.
Yep, 6 days.
Okay.
We'll walk back here.
Okay.
You can see this side of the wall.
This is bedroom number 3,
This side's been painted.
and we had the big double door there that opened up to the living room. So it was kind of hard to say it was truly a bedroom. But anyway, okay. So we have this room finished now, I think, except we need to hang the blinds
Blinds, ceiling fan, and carpet.
and carpet. Okay, and we're replacing all the ceiling fans with brushed nickel.
Yes.
Okay. So this was bedroom number 3, and this is number 2.
On this corner bedroom.
And I think this had all the pink drapes and everything in it first when we first took it over. And so I believe.
Blinds today.
Okay, installed the blinds today.
This room has been painted. The painting's about 80% finished throughout the house. We still have trims and doors and a couple random walls throughout.
Right, I think Monday and Tuesday we're doing the trim paint, which is going to be oil based.
Right.
Okay.
Same thing with this bedroom, ceiling fan, carpet, new AC vents,
Okay.
the usual.
Now I think we got new vents for every vent in the place. Is that correct?
That is about 12, I believe.
Okay. And then the master, there used to be 2 doors here.
Close it in, one single door, large single door, much nicer. This room's been painted, like all the other rooms, still needs ceiling fan, flooring. The blinds need to go up in here. The paint is drying around the windows right now.
Right? Okay.
The new vent is actually up in this room.
Okay.
Granite countertops in the master bath, along with the front bath. Take a closer look.
Okay, so we got the granite countertops in here. I don't know if it matches the kitchen granite or not,
I think it's
but it's very similar.
Very similar.
Okay.
We also removed the double sliding glass mirror doors that were here
Oh yeah.
and installed one single door into the master closet.
So we still have really just using it as storage at the moment, right? But, okay.
I'll give you a peek at the front bathroom.
Now this bathroom we haven't really started yet, except that we got the granite countertop in. Okay.
This has been textured. It looks like primed, maybe. No, not yet. Just textured.
Okay.
So we have texture and the new countertops in for this bathroom.
Okay.
Someone just did a fantastic job painting this. I don't know who did that.
Yeah, right. Thank you very much, Jack.
Flooring in the laundry room.
I appreciate having a little moral support there. Okay. So we have new tile floor. And this has been painted.
Yes, same color.
So I think we're in good shape there. Okay.
Into the kitchen area in the second.
Kitchen and den or great room or
whatever you want to call it.
and Ruth is hard at work over there.
Say hello.
Hi, Ruth. And
You can see the island used to be 2 levels.
yes,
Chopped off the top level and made it one large
one
level.
large granite slab.
Yep.